What's up guys, welcome to Not Another Wrangler. Today we're going to make traction board mounts, and I'm going to show you everything that you need and all the pieces that you need to make these mounts. I'll put them all at the end of the video like I've been doing, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so as you can already see, I already drilled my pilot holes, so it makes it easier for when I drill through, so I don't keep getting a bunch of walk. But yeah, so basically I measured out between my holes on my traction board. I just actually took a chalk marker and just went on top of the traction holes, and I put it on top, this on top, and I got these. So yeah, these are 10" by 1.5, 1.5 by 1/8 thick plates. I got them in black. You can get them in galvanized or just plain steel. And then I also, the bolts I have are just plain galvanized steel. And so we're going to take this, and now we're going to drill out the 3/8 holes for the bolts. So while you're drilling, you're going to want to gradually step up in size of drill bits. Unless you have a step drill bit, it makes it easier for you to get through the metal instead of constantly fighting with the same size drill bit. So once you've done all your drilling, you're going to want to file off any burrs left over from drilling. They will cut your finger open and it really hurts a lot. And then you will want to sand down your parts to get them ready for paint. So now I have the bolts, the washers, nuts, and wing nuts. I have them coated. They'll get one more coat from the other side and then another coat. And now we have just to do this side, and then everything will cure overnight. Alright guys, so here we are, day 2. I just gotta touch them up. I missed some spots I didn't see. And here's the U-bolts I was mentioning too, so you can mount it to your roof rack. Alright guys, so now that we have all our bolts and everything painted, nicely done, it's time to get them pre-assembled for getting it ready to be put onto the Jeep. And there you go. All 4 bolts painted, ready to go. Just waiting for everything else to dry, just the brackets, nuts, and I did these one more time just because these are going to be the main point of contact with anything. So I wanted to get them a bit of a better coat. There you go, look at that. They look good black. And here we have the finished product. So, nicely painted, all ready to be attached to my roof rack. And if needed, I will get some other extra U-brackets to hold it in. But, there they are, all done. Now we just gotta mount it. So now we have your traction boards. I already put them in just to see how they'd fit, and they fit nice. I am going to end up getting metal spacers to put in here. So basically it'll go over the bolt as a sleeve, and I'll make it so that I don't have to twist these in so much. I didn't think about that when I was first thinking about this. But, so it's all together, mounted at the back, so these parts will go onto behind the roof rack, and those U-bolts will then bolt over and mount these to the actual roof rack. So this will be on the outside of the roof rack, also freeing up space in my roof rack to carry more items, such as axe, shovel, and soon to be a high lift mount, which will be nice. But everything looks good. Looks very nice, actually. Well done. Yeah, guys, so I went and got myself 1.5" 3/8 spacers. So I'm gonna give these a quick coat of paint, and they'll be able to actually make the mount work a lot better, so the wing nuts aren't going fully into the actual traction boards. Let's go. Okay guys, so I went and got spacers, got them all painted as you saw. So took off all the wing nuts for it. Have the spacers here. They actually don't look too bad. Not bad at all. So now we're just gonna put them on. And now we have it all set up and ready to be attached to the Jeep. Can't wait to get it on to show you guys what it looks like. I'm excited. All right guys, so it's the day of installation of the traction board mounts. So we're gonna do that, and we have a perfect, beautiful day to do it today. So let's do it. So as you can see, we have right here our roof rack, and then basically we're gonna put the plates behind this part, screw them in, hook up the U-brackets to one of these so it has a cross member to grab onto, and then it should be fully done. So as you can see, we got them mounted to a degree. I have to get another set of U-bolts to mount to the bottom so these stay upright proper, but we got them sort of mounted so far. And there you go. Traction boards up and mounted, out of the way. Looking very nice. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this really bad video on how I made my traction mounts. So I hope you enjoyed how I apologize for this video. It wasn't the best, but I wanted to show you guys that it can be done. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on getting traction board mounts. So make sure next time you do, just make your own. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and always join Not Another Angler on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Have a good one.